Join us today as we go through the barn and treat the group from barn 1. A few of them are showing that they have they're losing some wools. They break in the wool. So what that tells us is that there's probably a parasite in there and they need to be treated. So we're going to, because we have about 10% of them with the break in wool, the vet recommended that we treat the whole flock and to ensure that it doesn't continue to spread throughout the whole barn. So we're going to be doing that this morning. We're going to be running out of the barn and into the handling system, and then Tyler will be treating each one with Ivomec. So it is common for sheep that are indoors and outdoors to catch a parasite, and it can be managed, but it's got to be treated. And if it's not treated, it can worsen, and the animals can spread it to one another. And if they start losing their wool, it can impact their body condition and they can eventually die from it. So it's something that has to be managed, and it's got to be, you have to be aware of when you need to treat it. And the sooner you treat it, the better outcome you have. Sometimes the ones that are housed year round can end up needing to be treated because they eat the straw, and the straw that's on the ground that has some manure in it, and it's basically the parasite drops through their droppings, and if it's in the straw, then they can eat it, and then that's how it's transferred from one animal to the other. So it's very important that we get a handle on it, and quick. Keep clean, dry bedding inside the barn at all times.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep.
So the tag is getting scanned and it's going to here. It's weighing it, recording its weight, and it's doing a calculation to based on its weight for how much drench it needs to get. And see, there are some spots where there's some shedding of the wool. And it's just to deworm them and take care of some parasites they might have picked up in the barn. So this one's getting 16 mils, so adjust the gun to 16. Doing it now, so there's a carryover. They're about 3 weeks away from lambing, so they should be able to carry this over to the lambs as well. This one's 16 as well. Real signs on this one, but we're just treating them all with it to basically clean the barn out of any worms or parasites that any of them might have, and that maybe they're not showing signs on the exterior yet, just to clean things up for when there were lambing steps.